Sync data to Google Drive and delete duplicates. Today we will see how you can backup your data to Google Drive in a secure manner. First, download and install Google Backup and Sync on your computer. Now open the settings of Backup and Sync from the taskbar and click Get Started. Enter your Google account login details and enter the validation code for two-step authentication. Next, choose the folders on your computer that you want backed up to Google Drive. You can select as many folders, but try not to include extra folders to save Google Drive space. Now choose if you want to upload photos in high quality or original quality. High quality is for professionals who cannot afford to lose picture detail. Original quality is fine for other users as it slightly reduces photos quality but offers unlimited photo storage without counting towards the Google Drive storage quota. Choose if you want the photos and videos uploaded to Google Photos also. Now choose if you want to sync any existing data in Google Drive to your computer. When the data has been uploaded to Google Drive, use Cloud Duplicate Finder to scan and delete all the duplicates. This web service performs a swift, secure, and perfect duplicate scan and cleaning job using the official Google API to guarantee your data's safety. It supports scanning all file types and also shows you previews for photos. Any duplicates on Google Drive simply won't escape Cloud Duplicate Finder at all.